guys, welcome to Manila. Welcome to the capital of the Philippines, Manila. Grabe guys. So, hanap kita Manila. So yun guys, welcome to Quiapo Church. Ito yung pusod ng Maynila, ang Plaza Miranda. Of course, ang Quiapo Church. So guys, time check is almost magna-9 na, pero punong-puno pa rin yung Quiapo Church ng mga deboto. So grabe guys, oh. Welcome to Plaza Miranda, Manila. So welcome to capital of the Philippines, Manila. Grabe guys. So yun guys, thank you so much for always watching and be blessed with others. Bye! Hinahanap kita Manila. Kain muna tayo guys. Bye! Thank you so much for always watching guys. Grabe. Grabe guys. So tomorrow I'm going back to Lipa, Batangas. So sinamantala ko na guys. So manginasal baka naman, oh, ang ating sponsor tonight. So bye guys, thank you so much for always watching. At shout out kay Mercury Drug. Bye guys.